Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous crochet jumbo twist. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using this X-pression hair. This is in color 27 and this is 82 inches, guys. I'm just going to cut it in half just the way I'm doing right there, guys. And then I'm just going to feather it because I want it to have those little ends, you know, the little tail or whatever. So yes, that's what I'm doing right there. I didn't want to use the pre-stretched one because I wanted it to be nice and long. So that's why I chose this one right here. So I'm just going to start sectioning my hair from ear to ear, you know, just a straight line. And I'll be using my shine and jam and my rubber bands to achieve this look. I'm just going to apply the shine and jam just to make sure the lines are really nice and crisp, guys. And then I'm just going to section the hair. So I decided I was going to section my hair into 27 pieces. So I decided to do like bigger, a little slightly bigger than the previous twist that I did. So I'm just using this shine and jam on each section. And then I'll use the rubber band, you know, just to secure it. I'm not tying the rubber bands too tight because I want my crochet needle to be able to pass through when I start my braiding. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I make it nice and secure, but don't make it too tight in the beginning. Just make sure it's not as loose, but you know, loose enough for the crochet needle to be able to go through and not like break your hair or give you a headache or hurt you. You know what I'm saying? This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, and if you guys were having trouble, you know, securing the rubber bands while you already have the hair in from my previous tutorial, this is your style, guys. This is the perfect tutorial for you guys. I sectioned the hair into 27 pieces all together, okay? And then I'm just gonna start sectioning. So in each pack, as I told you guys, I use 3 packs. So in each pack, I'm sectioning the hair into 9 pieces. If I pull out the hair, the amount of hair that I wanna use, I'm going to separate the hair again because I want the crochet needle to be able to grow through it and not have any trouble. So that's what I'm doing right there. I'm going to start using the shine and jam, just apply it a little bit just to make sure it's nice and sleek. Just gonna, you know, twist the hair on my finger just the way I'm doing right there. That way it's easier for the hair to go on the crochet hook. Place it on the crochet hook and lock it and then pull it in. Okay, so when you pull it in, you're not gonna pull it all the way in. You're just gonna pull it like just the way I'm doing right there. And then you're going to pull one side out. So I try to separate the hair just the way I'm doing right there. Hold one side and then I pull the hair out. So you're gonna do this twice. You're gonna place the hair in twice if you're trying to make them as big. If you're trying to make them as small, you can just go ahead and start braiding right there. But for me, I wanted them to be a bit bigger. You know what I'm saying? So this is a very good way of having this knotless twist going on. We're not twisting our hair from the root, sis, because that is going to break your hair. That's going to break your hair for real, for real, for real, for real. When you're tying that rubber bands, don't make them too tight. And second of all, you need to separate the hair and put the hair in the crochet needle twice. Okay, like separate it into 2 and pull it twice. And then you're just gonna add it together. Just make sure it's really nice and equal, you know, and then, you know, just like that, just the way I'm doing right there, you know. And then you're going to separate your natural hair, okay? So you're going to separate your natural hair into 2 and then just give it a little tug. So when I give it a little tug, it's really nice and secure on the bottom right there. It's like a nice grip on the bottom. That way you are secure. This is going to look nice and neat. So what I'm doing right there is I'm just going to tuck my hair inside the braiding hair. So I'm tucking my hair inside the braiding hair because my hair is black, first of all, but I still wanted some color for this tutorial. So I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to, you know, bind yourself to getting black because you're scared that your hair is going to be protruding or you're not going to be able to blend this hair with your natural hair. This is the best technique that I do all the time. I actually tuck my hair in. Of course, the black is still going to show because those are my roots, and I still want a little bit of the black to show or whatever, peekaboo, like, you know, a little highlights of my hair. But I want most of my hair to be tucked in. So that's what I do. And then, guys, you're going to start twisting and looping around. So both sides, you're twisting, and then you loop it around. That's what I meant by twist and turn. Okay, and then even if you let this go, guys, this is not going to unravel because when you twist and turn, it's like you're locking it in a certain way. Then when you get to the end, when I was telling you I tie a little knot, so I just place the hair, like I place it around my finger, and then I put it inside just the way I'm doing right there, and then just pull it out. You know what I'm saying? I loop it around my finger, and then I place it inside the little hole around my finger, and then I just pull it out. I'm going to show you again in the back. Okay, so the same concept. I did separate the hair into two just for this purpose of the hair to go through that crochet needle. If you have a bigger, you know, hoop of a crochet needle, you can actually just use the whole thing just to pull it in, but I don't, especially if they are really this kind of big. I try to just separate it just to make it easy, and also this is actually very easy to do, guys. So just make sure it's nice and, you know, equal on the sides, and then we're gonna give the tag again. See that? So when you give that tag, you're gonna take a little bit of the shine and jump just to make sure your hair is really nice and, you know, sleek. Cause you know my 4C hair, my 4C hair sisters, you guys know what I mean, right? This 4C hair right here is like, woo, sis. If you have 4B hair, 4A or whatever, you definitely can do this, sis. Okay. As I was telling you, I still have a little bit of peekaboo moment going on, but it's not that bad. People can still tell that my hair is black, but they can see that girl was trying to get some color in, and she managed. The same concept again, you know, take the hair, take a little bit of the hair and place it on the crochet needle, pull it through, you know, pull one side out, and then place the hair on the crochet, and then, you know, pull it out again. Take your hair, your natural hair, separate it into two, and then give it a tag. Take a little bit of the shine and jam, you know, and place your hair inside. So tuck your hair in, sis. That's the whole concept. Like, tuck your hair in. That's it. And you guys can see already on the bottom, it's already giving me a nice little snug right there. So it's nice and tight on the bottom, but it's not too tight that your head is hurting. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know how to crochet, this is good. This is easy. This anybody can achieve. Beginner friendly. This is your first time crocheting, sis, I got you. If you're having trouble, you know, tucking your hair in, I suggest you try with some color black, or, you know, whatever is the same color as your hair color. You can do this to your kids, you know, you can do this to anybody. And you can actually get this done in any color that you want. While we're still talking, have you guys subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any upload, sis, because this channel is getting juicy. Make make sure you tuck your hair in as you go along and making sure you're twisting both sides. So somebody was telling me, Tupo, my twists are just unraveling. Sis, let me show you again, okay, how you can do this. I think that what you're doing is looping them around and not twisting them at all, or you are just twisting one side of the hair, guys. So that right there is not going to work. And you guys can see it's actually started unraveling already even before I am done. So what I'm telling you is you need to stop doing that. So this is what you got to do, okay? Make sure you twist both sides like that and then loop them around. Twist both sides, loop them around. I hope you guys can see better in this video. You guys weren't able to see what I really meant by twisting both sides. So the last one, you know, I did that in like an hour, 30 minutes. But this one right here, an hour, I was done. Just, you know, do what I'm showing you right here. Place the crochet needle, pull it out, place it again, put the hair in, pull it out again. Take your natural hair, separate it into two, give it a little tug so it's nice and snug on the bottom. And then tuck your hair in, sis. Tuck that hair in and then start twisting. Twist on both sides. Twist on both sides. Just give it a little snug. That way the roots are really nice and snug. That way it looks very neat on the bottom, sis. This is very easy. And don't forget to twist and turn, sis. Okay? Twist together both sides and loop them around. That way you get this nice looking kind of twist situation going on. I do my twist, I don't put them in hot water because I usually tie the knots at the end and that usually does the deal, okay? Cut a little bit of the flyaways on the end right there. And I'll just take my boosted gel. You know your girl gotta make this baby hairs pop or whatever. So that's what I'm doing right there. And this brush is already from Amazon. You already know what it is. Of course, your girl cannot do anything without, you know, moisturizing her scalp. I have this coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture that I use and love. Baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through, yes, okay. Crochet jumbo twist, come on, easy tutorial. This right here is banging. Oh my gosh, I love the color. I love color 27. Actually, guys, I was thinking I'm gonna try all the colors. Just let me know in the comments below what color you guys want to see me rock next, because this summer, guys, I'm gonna try whatever color. If you guys want me to try green, blue, pink, yellow, gray, white, whatever color you guys want to try, but you guys are scared, you're like, I don't know, I want to see somebody rock it first. Okay, let me know what kind of method you want me to rock to. You know, I can do that. This is how long they are. Go down all the way to my waist and I am in love. Honey, when I tell you 2021 is for us to look like somebody, a professional did our hair, but we did it ourselves, okay? We did the damn job, sis. Nowadays, we about to save money. We about to save money, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this with your sister, friend, cousin, best friend, your mama, because sharing is caring, sis. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.